Horses out. We have Tiger Song past the begin, moving up, ready to rumble. Our Solemn Prayer in the middle, then followed by Delightful Bell. Next in line, Gold Cougat, Sweet Kid, Danori inside, Don Eduardo's Best, Bibora, and Royal Biba. Going along for the first turn, Tiger Song, Bayoralenka, Delightful Bell in second, ready to rumble in third. Our Solemn Prayer is racing in fourth, Danori inside fifth, Don Eduardo's Best, Gold Cougat alongside Sweet Kid, Royal Biba, and Bibora. They swing into the back. Tiger Song by only a length. And in second still is Delightful Bell. Then here comes our Solemn Prayer. Now trying to get closer in third, ready to rumble, Gold Cougat. Sweet Kid also moving up, Danori inside, Royal Biba. Tiger Song by only 3 for Balenga. Then here comes our Solemn Prayer on the outside. Sweet Kid joining them now on the outside third as they come down at the last 200. Tiger Song, our Solemn Prayer. Sweet Kid is on the outside. Tiger Song, our Solemn Prayer. Sweet Kid moving up on the outside, but it's still Tiger Song, our Solemn Prayer. Sweet Kid on the outside, entering the finish line, 3A, and finally it's number 3A. Then comes Tiger Song, Royal Biba,